Hello, welcome back everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on this 1951 Mercury Custom. This is a four-door with the suicide doors on the back. And what a beautiful car. The body, paint, and interior of this car are absolutely stunning. The chrome, the stainless trim, the bright work is all polished to perfection. This particular car has a 454, well, it has a big block Chevy underneath the hood with a overdrive transmission. It has power steering, power brakes with disc brakes on the front, vintage air conditioning. And wait till I open this door. This car is absolutely stunning. Look at the interior in this. The headliner, package tray, sail panels, rear seat, jams, the glass, all in excellent shape on this car. What a beautiful ride. Chrome tilt, I did it, steering column, leather wrap Lacara steering wheel, Dakota digital dash. Just a stunning car. Look at that dash glow. Look at all that chrome. Vintage air controls down there. It's an electric fuel pump. If you see any blotches or anything, it's probably because I gotta put a handprint on it. Beautifully finished trunk. Batteries there. See how nice the chrome is on it. Rear bumper, front bumper, they're both the same. What an absolute stunning Merc. You see a lot of, well, not a lot of them, but you see some of them out and about and around for sale once in a while. But I'll tell you what, this one here is absolutely stunning. I think I had a little splotch of something on my camera there. Underneath the hood is no different. Very, very nicely built car. Aluminum radiator. Electric fan. Yeah. It looked all blotchy before. Now it looks great. The camera, that is. really built with care. Let's take this thing out for a cruise. I'm anxious to drive it. This car arrived last week when I wasn't here. We took the car in on trade. I knew it was going to be a nice car, but I didn't know it was going to be this nice. This thing is absolutely stunning. The only thing I see with it, and you see me set my phone down for a second when I went to start it, the linkage just needs adjusted just a little bit. It goes into, you just got to push it a little bit up in further into park when you go to start it. I had my detail gal was in the office or in the shop a little bit ago, and she's like, I can't get it to start. And I went down there and I just pushed up on it just a little bit, and it just fired right up. So. And if I drive this car, I might not want to give it up. Like this anymore, do they? Somebody's gonna be absolutely in love with this car. Tinted glass, super sharp. talk to you guys soon.